Do you want to stop having to worry about money and feeling unfulfilled? Then I recommend you to become a YouTuber. That's what changed the game for me. Being a YouTuber, it's not about fast money. It's about freedom and building a life you actually want. If you never start, you'll stay stuck trading time for money, working for someone else's dream instead of your own. And if you've been following this channel for a while, you know that I've been doing YouTube for several years now. It's my full-time income. I don't rely on a job, and I only work a few hours per week. And I think YouTube is the only business model where you can actually achieve that, a 4-hour work week. And today specifically, I'm going into how the first 4 months as a YouTuber, so back in the days, changed my life and will change yours as well, even if nobody's watching yet. And what I realized is the biggest obstacle, the reason why so many people quit YouTube so soon, is because they measure their success in views rather than the foundation they're building. So without further ado, here are 3 reasons why starting YouTube changed my life already in the first 4 months of doing YouTube. Reason number 1 is that I was finding my voice. I knew that it would take time to get views and money, but it felt so good to finally be stepping into my voice and really claiming to myself that what I have to say is important. It's important enough to be broadcasted, to be showed to potentially millions of people. Because the reason I procrastinated starting a YouTube channel for so long is because I thought that what I had to say wasn't interesting enough. That had been a core wound for me, that why would people care about my opinions? Not just online, but in person. So it was this like self-love thing that I did to honor myself. Stepping into, this is who I am, these are my opinions, these are my truths, and my wisdom deserves to be heard. And every creator starts awkward, but consistency builds confidence, and that's priceless. So film your videos even if it feels messy, even if it doesn't feel perfect, because your voice gets stronger every time you share. Type in the comments to claim. My voice matters. Benefit number 2 is building streams of income. So by the end of those 4 months, I started to make a little trickle of income. I don't think I was monetized on YouTube yet, but I had posted some affiliate links in my YouTube descriptions. This was by no means enough to replace my job at the time, but it was really cool to see that I could make money while I was sleeping. So I got that first taste of passive income and the realization that I don't have to trade my time for money to be abundant. And even though it wasn't much money then, just a little trickle, those videos are still making me money today, over 5 years later. So it becomes like a snowball effect. The videos you create now will make you money years down the road. And I think YouTube is the only platform where your posts last for that long, because so many platforms like TikTok and Instagram, the posts have a really short shelf life. So you have to keep producing content daily, because the content you create today will not be pushed by the algorithm a month from now. So if you want passive income, YouTube is the platform for you. So start with one affiliate link. Now, what exactly is an affiliate link? It's a link where if somebody clicks on it and buys the product you recommend, you get a commission of that sale. For example, if there's an online crystal shop that you really like and you recommend to people like, here is the place to buy crystals, and if you sign up to their affiliate program and somebody buys a crystal through that link, you get a small commission, and you only really need one. So think about today, which affiliate link would you use? What's a product that you are really obsessed with that is in your niche? And if you want to learn exactly how to do affiliate marketing and create a product like an online course so you can monetize your YouTube channel and never needing a job, then learn my exact system that I share in the Nomad Freedom Academy, link in the description, for a free clarity call so you can see if it's a good match for you and to get more guidance around your business and your niche. The third reason why YouTube has been life-changing for me is freedom beyond money. When I went to school, it was always the question, which job are you getting? It was never, will you be an entrepreneur? Will you have a job? Will you be a housewife? So early on, I had that conditioning that, okay, after this, I need to get a job. So I thought, okay, the coolest, most fun job surely must be to work at Google, where they have slides and buffets and fun parties. And eventually I did manifest a job at Google, but I felt so miserable because I realized I'm just as trapped. I'm here in an open plan office. I have to ask for permission to go on a short vacation, and I'm spending most of my days just inside an office, helping somebody else's dream rather than following my own dream. So I quit after 8 months, and my goal was to become a digital nomad because I had just read the book, The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. And that's when I realized that I want a soft life where I'm not trading my time for money. I think the reason why people are so obsessed with money is because they want more freedom and happiness. So they will go after these high-paying jobs like stock trader, like investment banker, doctor, lawyer. But when they get there, they get burned out and they don't actually have time to enjoy that money. And being a YouTuber gave me that soft life. I started earning passive income. The more videos I created, the more streams of passive income from ad revenue, from course sales, from affiliate marketing. So I was able to slowly see my soft life coming together. And now I only work 4 hours a week. It didn't start that way in the beginning. You have to put in the hard work in the beginning to build up a successful YouTube channel, but eventually you can step back more and more because your old videos are bringing in income. So my action item to you is to define your soft life vision. What would your days look like if money wasn't the main driver? Stop waiting for the perfect plan. And if you feel like you are not ready to start your YouTube channel, but you will one day in the future, my advice to you is stop waiting because you will regret it. You will never feel truly ready. I started when I was freaking out. I had so much going on in my life. I was depressed and I felt just not confident on camera. But I did it anyway and I posted consistently. Start creating your freedom now. Your future self will thank you. And if you want to learn the exact business models that let spiritual creators turn YouTube into a sustainable income stream, then watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Link in the description or somewhere around this video. Love you and see you in the next video.